Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Well, welcome back. In Dublin, it is hot. This is our hot spot right now, actually, with a heat index at 100 degrees. Calm wind, too. So that is doing you no favors if you're spending time outdoors. At least the actual high isn't in the 90s. But again, the heat index is the number we care about, because that is what it feels like out there. So make sure to stay hydrated and wear sunscreen, of course. If you are spending time outdoors, there's not a whole lot going on with cloud cover right now. There's, some scattered ones, but the sun most certainly getting through plentifully. And no rain to track right now either. Now, an isolated storm or two will be possible as you go through the remainder of the evening. We don't expect anything severe, but you do see that half the region is in that level 0, the general thunderstorm category, where, okay, maybe one or two isolated storms will be fair game. We're going to stay hot while the sun is out. Obviously, we know we do have a couple of emojis that are higher on the heat scale than just that sweaty face there. I'm sure we'll see them as we go through the summer, but it is going to be a muggy night. Expecting mid to upper 60s heading to the start of tomorrow. The warmest spots may be only down to about 70, going 66 in Macon. We got down to 64 last night. And as for the temperatures for the rest of the region, you do have Cordele at 70 along with Silverton. Those are expected to be our warm spots heading into the beginning of your Tuesday. So this stationary front was with us through this weekend, and we had 2 days of solid rain chances. Both our Saturday, it came through in the morning, and then yesterday we had a few rounds throughout the day. As for tomorrow, rain chances will be pretty hard to come by as well until we go through the night and into Wednesday, because we have this cold front that comes in from the northwest, and that's expected to bring overnight storms to North Georgia, and some of those could be getting into Middle Georgia's northern counties during the sunrise on Wednesday. Could see another wave in the southern counties as that cold front moves through, and once it's done, we will be seeing some cooler temperatures to finish off the week. But again, even with the storm chances that we may see tomorrow, there shouldn't be many of them, and we aren't expecting any severe weather. But again, this is largely for overnight and into our Wednesday morning. So you can see most of what is happening tomorrow is off to the northwest. As for the heat, there will be a plenitude of that for the next couple of days as well. Expect more of heat indexes in the 90s, possibly to the triple digits as we go through tomorrow afternoon, getting into those 90s as we get into lunchtime. And notice there is plenty of sun, and there really isn't much in the way of rain chances. 1 or 2 isolated storms will be fair game, but I really think that activity is going to hold off until we start getting to Wednesday morning. That's when that front starting to come in. See a little bit of rain around sunrise for the northern counties, but that dissipates as we go through the morning. The question becomes, will we see a few more storms fire off over the southern half of the region as we go through Wednesday afternoon? With that cold front clearing the region, it'll be a sunny end to the day, and then things will start to get a little cooler after that, though we probably won't notice the drop off too much until we get towards, say, Friday. So 91 our high for tomorrow. Again, a couple isolated storm chances overnight and into our Wednesday morning, but largely expecting low 90s with real feels into the mid to upper 90s again. I'll have your extended forecast in 10 seconds. Your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast is presented by Volume Chevrolet. So, guys, at 30% odds for rain tomorrow, and that's again overnight into Wednesday. A couple of those chances early on Wednesday. We'll see what happens in the afternoon. But as we get to the end of the week, it will be a little cooler, a bit of a break from the summer heat with some temperatures maybe going a little below average for a day or two. But by the time we get to the start of next week, we're back in the 90s.